Hey everybody, it's Peg and it's August, and that means we have new challenges for Art Joyous Sharing. Today we begin AJOS Abstract Artist, and for Abstract Artists, there's a list of prompts you can follow. If you're not interested in following the prompts, that's okay too. Just do some abstract art. And the hashtag is meant for other social media like Instagram or that sort of thing, but there is a file folder in Art Joyous Sharing, which is a Facebook group, our Facebook group that Chelsea and I share. And you can put your posts of your daily abstract art in that file folder to share with everybody in the group. And today I'm working with Pan Pastels. Now, a friend of mine, Cindy, had sent me these pastel papers, and I'd never used them before, and I was so silly. I didn't realize that because you're working with oil pastels and soft pastels, that there was a cover sheet that comes over the top of the other paper. But I found out that the cover sheet is kind of like onion skin. So I decided to go ahead and print on both papers because, onion skin is really fun to collage with too. So I'm going to do several prints, and I'm just going to use some acrylic to pick up the pastel from my plate and have some fun creating. If you're not familiar with Art Joyous Sharing, it's a Facebook group. Come and join us there. We also do Art Joyous Sharing on YouTube, where Chelsea and I do a weekly live broadcast, and we will be doing abstract art on the live broadcast this week. So come and join us there, and you can, be in the audience and share with the others that are joining us for our weekly live show. And if you're new to my channel, please consider like, share, subscribe, all that stuff. It lets other people and YouTube know that the content that you're watching is of value and helps promote my channel in their algorithm so that other people get to see it. So check the box below. The description box will have some links for you in case you're not sure just exactly where to find all of these things. And I'll just let you watch these pages come to fruition here. So here we go.